Tutorials Junior, welcome. Okay, so in today's video, we're looking at multiplication of whole numbers and we're looking at 3 digits by 1 digit. Now look at the question. It says multiply the following. So multiplication. When you see multiply, it means multiplication. Okay, it's a short form of word multiplication. All right, so we're going to multiply all this. Not all, I'll leave some as homework for you to do, and you can also check your textbooks. I will try to leave some worksheets on our website, dtwtutorials.com. So, mommy, you could tell mommy and daddy to go to this website to download the worksheets. Or if you have a textbook with a lot of examples, please make sure you do practice and practice. It's good you practice. Don't just watch this video and not practice, okay? Apart from the two you're going to do here, I'm going to leave for you. I want you to open your textbook and practice more. The more you practice, the more you get to know it better. Okay, solve at least 40 questions, all right, on this. Okay, I think I would just maybe make a worksheet for you for 40 questions, all right, where you can do on your own. All right, okay, it will be on the website DTW Tutorials. All right, so here now, our number one says 278 times 2. So remember, we do 278 times 2. We're using the colon method, okay, colon method, all right? So here, we do 2 times 8. What is 2 times 8? 2 times 8 is what? 16. So we drop down 6, carry a 1. All right, don't forget, don't add that 1 to 7. No, it is wrong. All right, don't add 1 to 7, then now say 2 times. When you add 1 to 7, gives you 8, then now say 2 times 8. No, you don't do that. You just keep the 1, and you first of all do 2 times 7. What is 2 times 7? 2 times 7 is 14. Then add 14 to 1. Adding 14 to 1, we're going to have 15. So we drop down 5. We can't drop down 15 yet because we still have a number here. So we drop down 5 and carry that 1. Then finally, our last digit here, we have 2 times 2, which gives us what? 4. Then 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Can you see this? So this is the answer for this. Now let's quickly do this. We have 369 times 3. All right. When you have 3 times this, you arrange it also this way. All right. Okay. So here we have 3 times 9. What is 3 times 9? 3 times 9 is 27. So you drop down 7, carry that 2 up here. All right. Leave that 2 there. Then do first of all 3 times 6. What is 3 times 6? Is 18. Then add 18 to 2. All right, what is 18 plus 2? It's going to give us what? 20. So it means we'll drop down 0 and carry 2. Do you see that? 3 times 6 is what? 18. 18 plus 2 gives us what? 20. So we drop down 0, carry 2. Then finally, we have 3 times 3, which gives us what? 9. And what is 9 plus 2? 9 plus 2 is what? 11. So our final answer is what? 1107. Okay? I didn't call out this number. This number is 556. All right, so this is 1107. Okay, I know you might be asking that why didn't we just drop down 20 here? When we did 3 times 9, it gave us 27. We dropped a 7, carry a 2. Then we did 3 times 6. It gave us 18, and we added 18 to 2, and it gives us 20. And you might be wondering, why didn't we drop 20? You can't drop 20 because we still have a final number here we have to multiply. All right, so you can't drop 20. All right, so you just drop down 0, carry that 2. Okay, then you do 3 times 3 is 9, then 9 plus 2 is 11. So we can now finally drop 11. All right, so we can finally drop 11 because there's no other number here for us to multiply. So this finally gives us 1107. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let me clear the screen now. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 is 736 times what? 4. Okay, this is very big, but don't be scared, all right? all you need to know is your multiplication table. As I told you, I'm working on a workbook for you to, if you having problems learning, remembering your multiplication table, I'm working on a workbook for you to get it right. Okay. Now, let us go do this. What is 4 times 6? Remember, 4 times 6 is 24. So we put a 4, we carry 2. Just keep that 2 there. All right. Then you do 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is 12. Then add 12 to 2. What is 12 plus 2? 12 plus 2 is what? 14. So we can't drop down 14 in full because we still have a number here to multiply. So we just drop down 4 alone and carry 1. Okay? So now finally we have 4 times 7. What is 4 times 7? 4 times 7 is 28. Then we add that 28 to this one that we carried. And that will give us what? 29. So we can finally drop 29. All right? Because there's no other number here for us to multiply by. So now, what do we do? What is this number called? This is 2,944. Okay? Now, let me do the final one with you today. Then you're going to do 5 and 6 by yourself. Okay? You can do it. Now, let's do this together. So we have 5, 6, 7 times 5. Okay, that's 567 times 5. So 5 times 7, what is 5 times 7? That's 35. So we have 5, carry what? 3. All right. What is 5 times 6? 5 times 6 is 30. Then what is 30 plus 3? 30 plus 3 is what? 33. What do you do? Do you drop down 33? No, no, no. You drop down a 3 and carry a 3, okay? Because we still have a final number here to multiply by. So we do 5 times 5. What is 5 times 5? That is 25. Then what is 25 plus 3? 25 plus 3 will give us what? 28. So we finally drop down 28. So this is our final answer. Then how do we call this number? This is 2,835. Okay, follow me again. 2,835. All right, so this is our answer. So this is your homework and classwork. Do it and show mommy to know or daddy to know if you're correct. Okay, so thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. All right, mommy and daddy, don't forget to get the DTW Common Entrance CBT practice app. Okay, you can download it freely on Google Play Store. Check out the features. You have correct solutions, past questions, and their correct solutions. All right, over 4,800 past questions for several years on the app. Download it and your child can use it offline without the internet. So don't be bothered about internet. You don't want him, going to unwanted, unsafe sites. He can operate it without the internet as far as he activates it. Every of these past questions will be downloaded on his tablet, okay, and he can work without the internet with it. If you want online tutoring for your child, you can WhatsApp us, okay. All links, if you want it on his laptop, the links to that is also in the video description box. You can also chat me up, okay. And what else? You can check our website for other educational materials. All right, kids, don't forget that Jesus loves you, okay. Be good, honor, obey mommy and daddy, and be good boys and girls. All right. All right. Stay well. You are blessed. Jesus loves you and you are destined to win. All right. Take care and see you in our next video.